Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Unique Vibe Talk Show. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today we are working on a heat press. So I'm doing a heat press. I working on my heat press today. So today, oops, didn't mean for that to happen. Working on my heat press. You gotta be careful. This is hot. I hope you guys are having a great July. Happy birthday for those who are in the month of July. Um, so today I'm spending another birthday. This whole month we're celebrating our whole birthday theme this whole month. But in the process, I still have to work, right? So I am working on one of my clients' t-shirts. So I'll show you the symbol. This is one of the symbols that we're going to be doing. We're going to be putting this on the front and the back. And then put some numbers on there. So right now, I just already have pre-measured the hoodie, where I'm going to put it. You have to let this cool off for a minute before you do anything. So I'm gonna let this cool for a minute, um, making sure everything is good on the heat press. So I want to make sure everything is good, make sure nothing's burning. So I'm just gonna go over this one more time, turn this on. As you see, I'm on my heat press. Push this down and I'm going to go in on it. Because I want to make sure that nothing burns on here. This is a real good quality hoodie that we got for her. I want to make sure they have the best on this. So once this cool in, I'm just going to let, and then I'm going to let it cool off. When it does that 2-minute thing mark, then you just pull it up, just swivel it around. I'm going to put it off. And I'm going to let this cool at least like 20-30 minutes before I even do anything else. But while I'm doing that, letting that cool, I'm getting the numbers out, which I have to find out what, I know it's the 8, so I'm going to get the numbers out for the birthday. That's going to be like private information, so I can get that out. But yeah, you're looking for these numbers. I don't know who this is. This is just DIY tips. So I can iron it on and then stitch it. Just place the patch in the direct position where I want to put the numbers at. Place cloth over patch, then iron at temperature of 150 Celsius for about 15 to 30 minutes. So you can iron these numbers on the thing. I'm going to put it on the back of her. I'm going to put it on the back of her shirt. I have a 0 in here. I have a 4, I have an 8, I have a 3. I have a 0 something somewhere. So I'm going to say 08. I'm going to do 8 something. I wish I had some slashes to go in between it. It's going to say 8 something. I'm going to spread out the numbers. It's going to mean something. And I'm going to iron it on and then do this. It says turn the cloth over and iron again. And then it says let cool down for an hour before use. And then if the iron on method is not working, well, consider sewing them on. So I could sew it onto her thing if I have to sew it on. So if the sticky part is not working. So, but this is going to be the number on the back of her hoodie. So I'm going to let this cool. I don't know if it's done yet. Some places, yes, it still needs to be a little bit worked on. So I'm just going to go over this one more time. Starting up to 20 minutes. Pretty much the process doing the same thing. So I'm back using my heat press. If it's too hot, make sure you have gloves on because I do have gloves. I don't know what they did with my other gloves because they were using my other gloves and I don't know what they did with them, but I have my gloves here. So when you're dealing with hot things, especially tumblers and stuff like that, it's okay for if you have a heat press or something like that. But you want to make sure that your hands is protected, especially if you're doing tumblers or mugs and stuff like that, because things get extra hot. You want to make sure you're protected. Um, Hands is always protected. Never make sure you don't have kids around when you're doing this type of work, and it's not for kids. So getting back using my heat press again is really cool. So doing that again, as you hear that beeping sound going again, swivel it around, turn it off. So use this again. So I'm gonna slide it out. Let this cool. Make sure you don't move it. Make sure your material is staying straight, that it's not being moved any way or form or fashion. So I'm gonna let this cool about an hour, come back to it, but just showing you some of the things that I'm doing. And I hope you guys are having a great day. Yes, I like the hotness today, but no alcohol today because it's hot, been in the pool. So that's pretty much what we are doing. So I hope you guys like this content. If you do, just don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, comment below if you have a heat press, and what's your motive on these heat presses if you have one. So with all that said, this is Unique Vibe Talk Show. I'll see you guys on the next one. Ciao.